The European tower legs of the third Bosphorus bridge achieved a milestone, reaching 304 meters above sea level, enhancing structural stability. The concrete construction of the deck for the Asia-Europe approach viaduct was completed. The assembly of the derrick crane, a massive crane with a 1,000-ton lifting capacity, was completed. This crane is essential for positioning large steel bridge sections with precision during construction. The third steel deck, an enormous component of the third Bosphorus bridge, weighs 940 tons and spans 24 meters in length and 59 meters in width. This substantial deck section was transported and carefully positioned by a specialized floating crane with a remarkable lifting capacity of 1,800 tons. Utilizing this powerful crane was essential for ensuring the safe and accurate placement of the deck, given its massive size and weight. Transporting such large steel components by sea allowed for easier navigation through challenging construction zones, minimizing on-land disruptions and enabling more efficient assembly in the bridge's ongoing construction. In April 2015, the installation of the inclined suspension cables began on the third Bosphorus bridge, marking a critical phase in its construction. These cables, one of the bridge's primary support systems, are designed to connect the main deck to the towering pylons, enhancing stability and load distribution across the bridge's span. As tension members, the inclined cables play a crucial role in withstanding the forces exerted by the bridge's heavy traffic and environmental conditions, ensuring both strength and durability in the completed structure. Concrete work for the European side V18 piers of the Northern Marmara Motorway E2 section reached 98% completion. Concrete work for the European side V17 piers reached 51% completion. Concrete work for the European side V16 piers reached 87% completion. Concrete work for the European side V15 piers reached 82% completion. Concrete work for the European side V14 piers reached 33% completion. In June 2015, the construction of the reached key milestones with the successful installation of the 8th steel deck and the completion of the catwalk. These developments were essential to advancing the bridge's construction timeline and ensuring that future stages could proceed smoothly and efficiently. The 8th steel deck, weighing an impressive 940 tons and spanning 24 meters in length and 59 meters in width, was precisely positioned by a high-capacity crane. This deck section was part of a modular assembly of steel segments forming the bridge's main roadway. Each deck piece not only supports vehicular and rail traffic, but also contributes to the bridge's overall structural integrity, resisting dynamic forces such as wind, weight loads, and temperature fluctuations. Given its significant weight and size, careful engineering and planning were necessary to lift, transport, and position the deck accurately. The installation of this 8th deck marked continued progress toward completing the bridge's total span, incrementally connecting the European and Asian sides. Simultaneously, the catwalk's construction was completed, which represented a significant preparatory step for the main cable installation. The catwalk is a temporary suspended pathway that runs between the bridge towers, providing access for workers and equipment during the installation of the primary suspension cables. Constructed from lightweight materials and secured with steel cables, the catwalk serves as an elevated platform from which technicians can safely work at height. Given the scale of the third Bosphorus bridge, this catwalk had to be engineered to withstand considerable weight and movement, as it would be essential for positioning and securing the bridge's main cables. The main cable installation process requires attaching and tightening thick steel strands that support the bridge's deck. This is a crucial stage in suspension bridge construction, as these main cables bear the bridge's full weight, transmitting it to the towers and anchorage points. August 2015, the 14th steel deck, weighing 940 tons and measuring 24 meters in length and 59 meters in width, was installed. Following the completion of the catwalks in the third Bosphorus bridge project, main cable pulling commenced simultaneously from both sides. Foundation work for the Asian side V20 piers of the Northern Marmara Motorway A1 section was completed. Foundation work for the Asian side V22 piers reached 90% completion. In September 2015, the main cable pulling process for the third Bosphorus bridge entered its final stage, marking significant progress in the bridge's construction. This intricate process began following the completion of the catwalks, which allowed workers to access and guide the cables across the span. By this point, approximately 85% of the planned 13,000-ton dual-main cable system had been installed, with thousands of individual steel strands meticulously pulled and tensioned between the bridge towers. The installation of 128 inclined suspension cables was completed in the bridge construction of the third Bosphorus Bridge and Northern Marmara Motorway project. The installation of 10-meter-long steel crossbeams progressed steadily alongside the placement of inclined suspension cables. These crossbeams are essential for reinforcing the bridge deck, linking sections securely to maintain stability and distribute loads evenly. Positioned horizontally, they interconnect the main support structures, providing additional rigidity and helping the bridge withstand traffic, wind, and other dynamic forces. October 2015, the main cable pulling process was completed in the third bridge project, with 71,645 kilometers of cable installed. After completing the main cable pulling, the hexagonal main cables were reshaped and compressed into a circular form. By October 2015, nearly 5,500 kilometers of cable had been installed for the inclined suspension cables on the third Bosphorus bridge, bringing the project close to completion. These cables are essential for supporting the bridge's deck, connecting the main suspension cables to the towers at steep angles. The installation process required precise coordination, as the cables must be tightly tensioned to ensure the structural integrity and stability of the bridge. In November 2015, after completing the main cable pulling, the cables were compressed to a diameter of 723 millimeters. This final step ensured the cable's optimal tension and strength, securing them with steel clamps for stability. The first phase of the inclined suspension cable installation ended, with about 5,600 kilometers of cable used to install 160 suspension cables. A new method was introduced for positioning steel decks, two-part, 380-ton sections lifted by 3,000-ton capacity sliding cranes. By November 2015, 42 out of the 59 steel deck segments for the third Bosphorus bridge had been successfully installed, leaving just 391 meters to complete the connection between the European and Asian sides. This progress marked a major milestone in bridging the two continents. Additionally, the concrete work for the European side piers was advancing steadily, with the V19 piers reaching 100% completion. Similarly, concrete work for the V16 piers on the European side was also fully completed. These accomplishments signified critical progress in the foundation and structural elements, bringing the bridge closer to finalization. In December 2015, the installation of two 380-ton lifting gantry cranes was completed as part of the third Bosphorus Bridge project. These specialized cranes, with an impressive 3,000-ton lifting capacity, are designed to lift and position heavy steel segments with precision. Their installation marked a critical step in completing the bridge's deck sections and ensuring safe assembly. By January 2016, the installation and welding of the 41st and 42nd steel deck segments were successfully completed. With these segments, a significant portion of the 59 total steel decks was now in place, bringing the bridge closer to final completion. SB Engineering, formerly known as Heydong Bridge, has established itself as a leading company in the bridge construction and engineering industry. With a reputation built on innovation and advanced construction techniques, SB Engineering has developed unique methods to address the complex challenges of modern infrastructure projects. One such innovative technique is the SBarch method, which was used in the construction of the Yanggu Gongsu Bridge Girder, a project that demonstrates the company's expertise in bridge construction. The Yanggu Gongsu Bridge, located in the Gangwon province of South Korea, is an essential infrastructure project designed to improve regional connectivity and reduce travel times. The bridge spans a challenging landscape, requiring the construction of high-quality, durable, and cost-effective girders. The installation of these girders is a critical step in ensuring the bridge's stability and longevity. SB Engineering, known for its use of cutting-edge technology and advanced engineering solutions, opted to employ the SBarch method for the construction of the bridge's main girders. The SBarch method is an innovative construction technique that utilizes a combination of both arch and girder systems to ensure optimal strength and structural integrity. The method allows for the construction of bridges with reduced material usage while maintaining or even improving the overall durability and load-bearing capacity. This hybrid approach combines the best features of traditional arch bridges and modern girder bridge technology, allowing for the construction of large-scale projects like the Yanggu Gongsu Bridge with greater efficiency and cost-effectiveness. The installation video of the Yanggu Gongsu Bridge girder showcases the meticulous and highly technical process involved in the girder placement using the SBarch method. The video begins with an overview of the construction site where heavy machinery, such as cranes, are positioned for optimal lifting and maneuvering of the girders. The girders, which are prefabricated off-site to precise specifications, are transported to the construction site for assembly. The installation process is a delicate operation, requiring highly skilled workers to ensure that each girder is placed accurately and securely. The video also highlights the role of the SBarch method in the process. The SBarch system relies on a specialized framework that supports the girder during installation, allowing for a seamless transition from one phase of the construction to the next. By using the arch structure to distribute loads evenly, the SBarch method reduces the stress placed on individual girders, enhancing the overall stability of the bridge. The combination of arch and girder elements in the SBarch method also allows for the use of lighter materials, reducing the overall weight of the bridge and making the construction process more efficient. One of the key benefits of the SBarch method, as demonstrated in the installation video, is its ability to improve the speed and precision of the construction process. Traditional bridge construction methods often require lengthy and complex procedures to install heavy girders, especially when dealing with difficult terrain. In contrast, the SBarch method streamlines the process, reducing the time needed for girder installation and minimizing the risk of errors or delays. The video captures the smooth coordination of the construction team, with cranes and other equipment working in harmony to ensure the timely and safe placement of each girder. In addition to its technical aspects, the video also emphasizes the safety protocols and practices that are followed throughout the installation process. Safety is a paramount concern in all construction projects, and the installation of the Yanggu Gongsu Bridge girder is no exception. The video shows the various safety measures in place, from the proper securing of equipment to the use of personal protective gear by workers. These precautions help to ensure that the installation process proceeds without incident, protecting both the construction crew and the public. The successful implementation of the SBarch method in the Yanggu Gongsu Bridge girder installation is a testament to SB Engineering's commitment to innovation, safety, and excellence in engineering. The Phu My Bridge, spanning the Saigon River in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, is a vital infrastructure project completed between 2007 and 2009. As one of the most significant infrastructure developments in the country, the bridge is integral to Ho Chi Minh City's rapid evolution into a major urban center in Southeast Asia. The bridge not only serves as a connection between districts within the city, but is also a critical component of a new ring road under construction around the metropolis. This road network will facilitate seamless traffic flow between the southern Mekong Delta and Vietnam's central and northern regions, supporting economic development and regional connectivity. Remarkably, the Phu My Bridge is the first major privately funded infrastructure project of its kind in Vietnam. The project was designed and constructed by BBBH, a consortium formed by Germany's Bilfinger Berger Civil and Australia's Balderstone Hornibrook. Their extensive experience with cable-stayed bridge projects, such as the Anzac Bridge in Sydney and the Centennial Bridge across the Panama Canal, enabled the team to optimize construction processes and complete the bridge months ahead of schedule and within budget. Beginning in February 2007, construction culminated in the bridge's opening to traffic in September 2009. As a cable-stayed structure, the Phu Mai Bridge's deck is suspended by cables directly anchored to two towers, which bear the entire load. This advanced engineering method required meticulous planning and execution. For instance, after completing construction on one side of the river, enormous equipment known as travelers had to be lifted and transported to the opposite side, a complex logistical feat that took approximately 1 week per transfer. This operation concluded successfully, allowing the bridge deck to be completed by May 2009, followed by a deck closure ceremony. At 2.1 kilometers in length, the Phu Mai Bridge is more than just an architectural achievement. It symbolizes Vietnam's aspirations on the world stage. Linking District 7 and District 2, it now stands as a landmark representing the country's commitment to modernization and infrastructure development. Prefabricated concrete footbridges reinforced with FRP, fiber-reinforced polymer composite, developed by Mostostal Warszawa S.A, represent a significant innovation in bridge construction. Traditionally, steel reinforcement in bridges is prone to corrosion, which can lead to structural damage and high repair costs over time. By replacing steel with FRP composite reinforcement, these prefabricated footbridges eliminate corrosion risk entirely, leading to reduced maintenance costs and enhanced safety. Each prefabricated span is manufactured in a controlled facility, combining high-strength concrete with FRP composite to optimize both durability and cost. This construction method enables fast on-site installation. Entire spans are delivered ready to be lifted into place, requiring minimal equipment and labor. Within hours, a bridge can be installed, making it an ideal solution for pedestrian infrastructure in communities where speed and efficiency are paramount. The durability of FRP composite reinforcement yields significant long-term financial benefits. In traditional concrete bridges, ongoing expenses are incurred for anti-corrosion treatments and structural repairs, especially within the first decade of use. By contrast, FRP-reinforced bridges greatly reduce maintenance demands throughout their service life. This not only lowers operational costs but also minimizes disruptions for local communities. Mostostal Warszawa has designed these footbridges with spans up to 15 meters and widths up to 3.5 meters, ideal for pedestrian use. Rigorous strength testing by the Road and Bridge Research Institute has confirmed their robust performance. The prefabricated elements, such as hollow core slabs, are lightweight and easy to transport and assemble, even under challenging weather conditions. The Com Bridge in Nowa Wise, completed nearly a year ago, is Poland's first road bridge constructed from fiber-reinforced polymer, FRP composites, marking a significant achievement in Polish infrastructure. Built by Mostostal Warszawa, this innovative structure is located near Jastrzębie Airport and exemplifies the potential of composite materials in bridge construction. The bridge spans 10 meters in length and 8 meters in width, with both its girders and deck made from FRP, a lightweight, durable composite of glass fiber, epoxy resin, and foam plastic cores. Prefabrication was conducted at Mostostal's Warsaw facility, allowing the bridge to be assembled on-site in under 15 hours, using only two main segments weighing 5.8 tons each. This quick and efficient assembly reduced both logistical and environmental challenges, such as weather delays, and made winter construction feasible. The bridge connects two parts of Nowa Wise divided by a stream, significantly improving access to local facilities like schools and churches. Its FRP composition offers advantages over traditional materials, including higher strength, corrosion resistance, and lower maintenance costs. Designed to support vehicles up to 30 tons, it underwent successful load testing with a total weight of 64 tons.